Right, hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Now a new retro package arrived and we're going to upgrade the BBC Micro with this, the Smart SPI ROM and the Beeb SD card version 1.1. You put your memory card in there, it allows us to load software on the BBC Micro via the SD card. Now it's from the 80s, probably come out of school, and there's one thing you must do to 80s electronics: sniff them, because they do smell good. So 80s electronics, beauty. Also in the package I got a CD-ROM with some software on there, which is no good to me because I'm on Macintosh and not Windows. However, there is a file on there, 4.5 meg beeb.mmb file or something on there that I'm going to transfer to the memory card, and then hopefully you can load up some stuff and we'll see what's on that file. Now I could just get the ROM and stick it in the side there, but that doesn't always work. That sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. More than often it doesn't work at all, and that's a Watford Electronics a sideways RAM socket. So I bought myself a new one, so I might have to install this one as well. That came off eBay. They've got a seller said it's refurbished. And this is a sideways, you can see that, sideways ZIF socket, ZIF Watford Electronics. Yeah, 250 High Street, Watford. And it goes in and allows us to run some ROMs without taking the machine apart every single time. So hopefully that's going to work, so I'll put that in there. So how do we go about installing the ROM? Well, you need to open up the machine. Let's get all this stuff out of the way. So I've taken the 4 screws out. There's one at the back there, one there, and 2 underneath. And the lid just comes off. And then there's 2 screws, one there and one this side for the keyboard. Then the keyboard will just come out. Let's just remove this. Oh, it must have come from the 80s, this one. The old coloured ribbon. Oh, blimey, look at that. It's really old. So 80s electronics. Beauty. Now where are we going to install the ROM? Is we've got down here, we've got some spare ROM sockets. There's 2 spare ROM sockets. All I'm going to do is stick the ROM in one of the sockets with a notch facing up. So there's the ROM socket, there's a notch. It's just going to go plop straight into a ROM socket, just like that. Should go in, just like that. Actual notches at the top. There we go, that's a ROM socket installed. Now let's put the BBC back together and then go and plug it into a TV set and see what we get. Catch you in a sec. Right, the BBC is fired up and you've got BBC Computer, 32K, Smart SPI and Basic. Now you can change different drives, 0, 1, 2 and 3. But if I do a star dot, you will see that we've got on drive 0, you've got ROMs, SR save, SR load. But if I do a star dr.2, it brings us into drive 2, then do a star dot, and you will see we got a game on there. So I'm going to do CHAIN, so chain, ARC, ADIA, and we've got Acorn Soft Arcadians. This was on the 4.5 megabyte file that's on the CD. Now I presume with the software you can put your own ROMs on there. So let's go for number 2. Listen to that music. Control is left and caps lock's right. Oh look, I crashed. Right, let's try another game. Now there is one more game we're going to try which is on drive number 3, so star dr.n3. And there's an executable file there which we can execute. I'm just going to do a chain castle. Do I want instructions before Castle Quest loads? No, I don't. Program by Tony. I'm not going to attempt to read that, but good on you, Tony. Press spacebar to begin. Probably the most challenging game ever devised for the BBC Micro. So let's see what this game's all about. So Z and X left and right, returns jump, and I think start and slash, usual keys, should be up and down. Let's see what we can do, what we've got to do in this game. Let's put this ladder here. So dot there, I don't know what you've got to do with that dot. You're killed by some green thing. Some alien thing with a sword. You fell. 3 lives left. This. Oh. They don't actually hurt you, them ones. Nothing in there. The hell's that? Got killed by a spider. This game's hard. Let's go backwards. Let's go the other way. Well, that does. Okay. Alright, okay, right, now I've got it. Ah! I thought he was going to go back. I'll play that again, try that again. Got to try and get past that guy, I want to see what's down there. Okay. Ah, he comes back! God, this game's hard. The troll has killed you. Game over, press the spacebar. Right, there was a quick look at the SPI ROM and SD card adapter that I got off eBay for the BBC Micro. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers and beers. Bye bye bye.